Hi, my name is Trishita Paul. I'm currently a sophomore majoring in biomedical engineering here at the Tulane School for Sciences and Engineering. I study acoustic tweezing techniques and how to use them for anticoagulant monitoring, which means I get to test blood thinners and other medications here in the lab. I'm grabbing my anticoagulant and plasma samples that I've prepared previously. This is our -80-degree freezer. This is where we store all of our samples. That includes plasma as well as our anticoagulants. So I spike blood with anticoagulants and assess for the coagulation of blood. So I'm going to deploy one of our samples into our machine. Essentially, there is a transducer on the bottom and a reflector on the top that emits a standing wave, and the drop is able to levitate between two nodes of that wave. And we put the drop under increasing acoustic pressure in order to gain data points. I have a long family history of heart disease and stroke, and I've always been interested in cardiology as a field, so I was able to find a lab that integrates both biomedical engineering and cardiology, and this was the perfect avenue to combine both of my interests into one. We want to ultimately be able to use acoustic tweezing in clinical settings, and I personally want to be able to use new technologies and new anticoagulant monitoring systems as a physician in the future. I would encourage freshmen to start looking into what they're interested in researching and whether or not there are PIs at Tulane that do so. I actually met Dr. K, my PI, at a BME welcome event, and he invited me to join his lab meeting the following day, and I've been in his lab ever since.